For me, I'll probably bring a friend along. I got plenty of friends who are balds. Hi, my name is Mehdi. I actually live in the United States, originally Iranian. Found this place to come to get my hair transplant, mainly because my brother came here last year. He was very satisfied. He came back this year for a second session. My brother, who went through this process a year ago and being very happy, made it a lot easier. Another friend of ours actually that I know very well was here 2 days ago, similar reasons, and very happy with his experience. The procedure itself, I actually had mine without any sedation. My brother did have it with sedation. Both of them were very easy to do. Really depends on your pain tolerance and what your wishes are. It seemed like there were two different teams with the harvesting and with the implantation. All of them very knowledgeable, very experienced. And it's funny that talking to my brother, he recognizes most of the staff from last year. So it shows you that there's continuity. Lots of people are here for many years. Clearly they're experienced, and clearly they're happy as employees to still be here. I mean, I think in general, the price, at least compared to the United States, you're probably looking at a fifth of the price of what would cost in the United States versus here. So, you know, going ahead and getting a plane ticket is well worth it. And also there's transportation to and from the airport. There's daily transportation to and from the clinic. Makes it easy. People here, many people speak English, so it's easy to communicate. I can't wait to come back for a second time to get the back. My balding was advanced enough where one session isn't enough for me, so I've just done the front, and I'll be here for the back. My brother did the front last year, and then towards the crown is where he had his procedure done with me yesterday. Thank you, Vera Clinic. You guys have been great.